Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain hexagonal pyramid, slant triangular face, beta method problem. The hexagon side dimension is given 25 mm, height of the pyramid is 50 mm, and slant triangular face, then it is edge case. Here in third position there is no upwards, then the axis of the pyramid is inclined to VP at 45 degree, then it is beta. If the upper word is given, then it is direct method. When there is no upper word with respect to VP inclination, then it is beta. Okay, construct XY line, thin line, as usual procedure, and go to text command X and Y, capital letter, VPHP, capital letter, and hexagon edge case. Directly go to length and angle method by using thick line. You click it, 25, enter 0, 25, enter 60 degree, 25 mm, 60 plus 60, 120. Then again 25, enter 180, 25 to 40, then 25, 300. You will get corner case. Just go to rotate, select the hexagon and make it one edge perpendicular. Select this and this point, you make it exactly. The angle is 90 degree, position angle is 270. You will get edge case. Move wherever the hexagon, you can move it and you can zoom those hexagon. Select line with thick line, join corner to corner, corner to corner, one more corner to corner, show one dimension, side edge dimension, any one edge 25, and start naming by using text command. Small letters start with, as usual, A, B, C, D, E, F, O1 within bracket O2, and project perpendicular all the thin lines. In this edge case, axis won't be visible. The A and F are same line, project line. The B and D are same line, and O1, O2 also project. The C and D project. Use trim command, trim it. Now use line, height of the pyramid is given 50 mm, 50 mm in problem, 50 length, angle is 90. Now this line must be thick line, you have to select, select 0.7, here to here one thick, here to here one thick, from here one thick, apex point, this is also thick lines. Here front view is, axis will be behind, and use smart dimension, show the dimension for 50 mm, and use it text, start naming, that is O1 dash, and here is F dash visible within bracket A dash, and here E dash visible within bracket B dash, and O2 dash won't be visible, and last one D dash visible within bracket C dash, and the triangular face D dash, C dash and O dash makes one face. Triangular face is resting on second position. Slant triangular face resting on XY line. Select move command, switch on the copy, move it over and go to rotate through window. You select center of rotation D dash, C dash, O1 dash to rotating point, place it, and next move it, switch off the copy, select, you move it towards left side and move this text to above, and move this O1 dash above and project for top view thin line. All the points make it 0.13 O1 dash as usual same procedure, and next A dash F dash downwards -90 and B dash E dash and O2 dash this line -90 and C dash and D dash downwards and project here A and C same line. We can project A and C up to here, B point up to here, and next F and D here 0 degree. We can project and later you can trim, and here and from this center O1 point. Use trim command. This extra line you trim it. Okay, this extra line you can trim it. And now start naming those bottom face. And this is your O1 and the center point is O2, and we'll start with naming A, B, C, D, E, F. Join those by thick line. Point 7. Start with A, you'll get intersection point, to B end point, C end point, D end point, E end point, F end point, then A end point. Start with A to O1 and B to O1, C to O1, D to O1, next E to O1, then F to O1. See here, the axis is there, just use trim command, you trim this and show the axis line. Third one, axis with medium thick O2 to O1 and hidden line. Here you can see the line AB is passing inside, F is passing inside. Those two lines are crossing into mark. Okay, this and this. See here it's crossing. Those two are hidden line. You make it hidden line. Okay, this is the second position, hidden line. The problem is beta method. We have to find out the apparent pyramid O2 and O1 distance. Already original is O1 dash O2 dash 50 mm. Use distance between command and zoom it. Zoom this much area and measure this O2 to O1. You will get 45.88. 45.88. Draw 45-degree line. Draw 45-degree line. Find out the beta angle. Thin line. Simply you project. Continuous line. Select those line is continuous. And angle is, this angle is 45 degree. 45 and mark this O1 first. Somewhere you mark O1 point here and select arc by center point. From this point you cut it using by 50. Cut this by 50 mm. The line is short means you can make use of extend to next. And you trim it to get the end point and draw locus line from this end point O1 dash to O2 dash 50 mm. Draw locus. Cut this locus by 45.88. Arc by center point. O1 is the center. O2 is 45.98. 45.88. Sorry, 88. Enter. Cut this line. You can zoom this much area. Cut this line by, and next you can trim it one end point it, zoom it, and trim, join those O2 to O1 endpoint to fit to this point and extend to next. Measure the this extend to measure the angle this line to this line is you will get I think exactly around 50 or 51 degree you will get to check it and move those this much you zoom it and go to move switch on the copy including window all the text you select it is not selected later it move it over this end points here single arrow and give fit zoom this much area go to rotate through window including text you select this much see it selected center of rotation is O1 dash O1 point to rotate O2 place it on 50-degree line okay and now you take those move switch on the copy the E point is not selected select E A B C E E F O2 O1 now project upwards to get those final view line thin line project this A dash and F dash and project B dash and E dash and other the D dash and C dash and XY line O1 dash also project O1 dash is our XY line 90 degree start with A is top 90 degree B is here up to here 90 degree C is an XY line 90 degree then D also XY line 90 degree then E is here in this line is E 90 degree you simply project upward later you can trim this point is up above 90 degree now make use of trim this extra line you trim it and project O2 also from this point to O to this line 90 degree now join by thick line A B C D E F dashes thick line okay this point is your A B C this is your D it's your E end point it's your F to A and start naming those text later you can join those points up to the O1 dash A dash B dash C dash D dash E dash F dash and O2 dash and O1 dash is here join by thick line all A B C D E F dash to O1 dash thick line here A to O1 dash B to O1 dash C to O1 dash D to O1 dash E to O1 dash F to O1 F to O1 dash F to O1 dash see these three lines are crossing inside these three lines which are the lines crossing those lines are hidden line in top see this is crossing and this one is crossing and make it to hidden line and line, axis line you have to show O2 to tip of line, axis line, medium thick O2 to O1 dash, axis line. Okay, this is your hexagonal pyramid slant triangular face beta problem.